Well, it's Tuesday, about 12:40. We're headed for low tide on the bay. We're going to visit our old friend, Edmond Dantes, at the cave. See what the cave is going to give up. Just all this big storms and everything we've had. One will never know till one goes. So we're off on a spin. Stand by.
Y'all just going in?
Yeah.
I left your buddy out there all by himself all day today, didn't you?
Yeah, I see him now.
Oh boy.
That's Glenn, isn't it?
Good one for y'all.
Looks like Glenn, maybe. Or Bobby Scott. I don't know who it is. But he's deep in the cave. Well, we've had a lot of sand gone, I can tell you that. Look at these steps right here. I ain't seen them in a long time. Not all of them, I mean. Edmond, he'd be dried up out there by the time the tide goes out. Edmond. Well, the only change I made today is I put the stock coil back on the 11-inch. Still bone conductors, 24 kilohertz, and some notch. There's old Edmond. Come out of there, boy. Bring some yellow metal out of there. It's like pecker, a little over pecker deep here. Stand by. 86, 87, I don't know. I got 5 scoops off it already. $93. I think it's junk. It's a good sound though. Stand by a minute. Well, I finally got it. Big fat gray matter. 9 or 10 scoops deep. Good gracious me, baby. Got a jumpy 56. I like 56 sometimes. Sometimes I like 56. You almost got to check your scoop every time here, even though you still hit the targets, because sometimes you find some nice old marbles in here. Now, I ain't found a marble in 2024 or 2025, so I'm looking for one. I don't know why everything's got to be so deep today, though. My shoulder told me yesterday, he said, something's not right with this picture. And we got it. Look at that mud. Good gracious. I don't see anything in there except mud. Stand by a minute. 76. Oh, earring looks like gold in color too. Cherries. Probably 22K. $92. wheels and all. A choppy 72. And it's gotten a little better at 71. Stand by. Well, Edmond Dantes was not very good to us. Then he got a little teeny junk ring right at the end as we were leaving. That was the best of it. Now we've moved east about 2 miles. Stand by. Well, it looks pretty nice. Tide's really low up this way. But there was a couple of miles made a whole lot of difference. It's kind of a choppy 57 right now. I don't think I like it. Oh, I got it on the first scoop. A half of a sunglass. Boy, oh boy. That's different. Now that's gray matter right there. 4 ounces of gray matter. Big, fat, granddaddy gray matter. That's a lot of looters. Folks showed up here now. 2 guys already here. I mean, just showed up. I don't know who they are. One of them might be Glenn. Yeah, that one buddy that's Mr. Glenn. I don't know, there's another guy I showed earlier, but he's way up in the dry sand somewhere, another guy. Now the 61 is kind of choppy. I see it. A piece of junk ass aluminum, I think. Not what I was expecting. $84. One penny, as I suspected.
Silver ticket.
Yeah, Mumblesman is giving me the mumbles here. Yeah, big ticket.
And then I got a mobile device.
It's a brand new one too, ain't it?
And I got another little ring. It's too far down in there. It's black.
Yeah.
It's a little one, but
yeah.
Yeah, this is. I thought it was a junk ring, but
That's silver, yeah, I think.
it rings up like a quarter.
Yeah.
You know.
76. Man, ringing the scoop. He's not going to get skunked today. He's a junk of the with ice. Owl face. You see it? Oh, it's a fit-all. How about that? Taquito. We did get a good sounding wetsuit today. I don't expect there's anything, but something in there sounded good. I see nothing that sounds good. So much for that. Well, there it is. A gathering of pennies, 1 dime, the owl ring, ear ring, some gray matter, swivels. I'm not sure about tomorrow. Got bad forecast for the afternoon when the tide's low. Stand by for more on that.